a sense of well-being, a sense of wholeness, a sense of being in control is associated with high levels of a high level of motivation is associated with high levels of these neuromodulators. By contrast, a sense of helplessness, lack of motivation, irrespective of what actions the person may perform, is associated with low levels of these neuromodulators. It is really very much the issue that things as subtle as hope play a crucial role in the neurochemistry of the brain. A sense of hopelessness and helplessness dramatically reduce these neuromodulators, in turn reducing the intrinsic neuroplastic capacity of the brain. It's always there, but it's modulated. The worst thing that one can do to an individual, not worst thing, but one of the bad things that one can do to an individual is, as an authority figure, say, look, there's no hope. You can't do anything about it, whatever the situation happens to be. The moment you take away all hope, you've in fact removed the very neural processes, the efficiency of the very neural processes that could in fact offer realistic hope. And these are the actions of these neuromodulatory systems. So the psychological state, the mood, how one actually feels, the level of motivation has a dramatic effect on the levels of these neuromodulators, and in turn makes the capacity for learning and neuroplastic changes even more extensively possible. Obviously what one requires is not just neuroplasticity, one also requires, if you will, the environmental stimuli, the cognitive stimuli, the thinking stimuli, to establish the appropriate connections. You can't just have increased plasticity without the input. You need the, if you will, the stimulus to establish the appropriate context. So a learning environment, thinking, reading, whatever, and these high levels of neuroplasticity means that one is gaining maximally from that learning experience. The brain is literally optimally tuned to reorganizing itself as a result of the experience. And what is amazing is the way that the brain literally is reorganizing itself on a subtle basis every day as a result of the experiences that we have.